The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Benton County, southwestern Lynn County, until 6 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Keystone, or 14 miles northwest of Marengo, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cedar Rapids, Marion, Hiawatha, Robbins, Belle Plaine, Fairfax, Ely, Atkins, Walford, Palo, Shellsburg, Newhall, Blairstown, Van Horn, Keystone, Norway, Luzerne, Tottville, Squaw Creek Park, and Hannon Lake Park. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 13 and 29. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now.